How are you? We're going to do a circle drawing today. The scenery will be inside the circle. Let's start. We'll draw a line in the middle. This is the moon over the water. Let's encircle the shades around the moon. The moon has a glaring effect when it shines. It shines really nice. This will be the ground here. We can put two long trees from the ground. Looks like they're hanging over the moon. Also another tree here. Let's make it a solid one. We can do it more dark than the other sceneries. The branches on top, branches on top. These are the branches on top. The trees getting more visible. Yeah, it looks really nice. These are the long trees here. Alright, let's make the moon more clear. Okay. Some birds flying here. This is the water. The ground is little darker. We can put hash from both sides. Let's put a little grass on the ground. This little detailing just enrich the drawing. Alrighty, the drawing's getting clear. And the last end, this is the water level, and then starts the sky. I think this is it. I hope you guys like the video. If you like, please subscribe for new updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.